What if the future of road travel wasn't just about getting from one destination to another? What if every mile became part of the adventure? Imagine a motorhome so futuristic that it looks like it belongs in the year 2040, yet feels realistic enough to become tomorrow's biggest innovation. Today we're exploring the incredible 2027 Honda Legend Motorhome Concept, a luxury RV vision that blends cutting-edge technology, elegant design, and next-generation comfort into one breathtaking machine. I'm Richard M. Tryon, and you're watching California Autos. Let's discover what could become one of the most exciting motorhome concepts ever imagined. A design that changes everything. The moment this concept appears, you immediately realize this isn't another ordinary RV. Honda has completely reimagined what a luxury motorhome could become. Instead of the tall, square-shaped designs we've seen for decades, the Legend concept embraces flowing aerodynamic lines, a sleek profile, and proportions that feel more like a futuristic luxury yacht than a traditional camper. Its bold front fascia features razor-sharp LED lighting, a glowing Honda emblem, sculpted bodywork, and a massive panoramic windshield that stretches seamlessly into the roofline. Every angle feels clean, elegant, and purposeful. Nothing appears over-designed, nothing feels unnecessary. It's futuristic, but believable. A commanding presence on the road. From the side, the Honda Legend concept becomes even more impressive. Its extended wheelbase and multi-axle configuration create an unmistakable road presence. Large panoramic glass panels wrap around the cabin, flooding the interior with natural light while offering spectacular views in every direction. Smooth body lines combine luxury with strength, giving the motorhome a premium appearance whether parked beside a mountain lake or cruising down the interstate. This isn't simply transportation, it's a moving luxury residence. Step inside, and the experience changes completely. Forget cramped interiors and narrow hallways. Honda envisions an open living environment that feels closer to a modern penthouse than a conventional RV. The upper lounge is surrounded by glass, creating a relaxing observation deck where passengers can enjoy breathtaking landscapes from sunrise to sunset. Soft ambient lighting creates a calm atmosphere. Premium leather seating invites you to relax. Minimalist controls reduce clutter while advanced digital displays keep everything within easy reach. Every detail is designed to create comfort during both short trips and cross-country adventures. The seating resembles first-class airline lounges more than automotive furniture. Wide reclining chairs, elegant finishes, hidden storage compartments, wireless charging stations, premium entertainment systems, large touch displays. Everything works together to create an environment focused on relaxation. Instead of feeling like you're traveling, you'll feel like you're already at your destination. One of the most impressive aspects of the concept is how efficiently every inch of space is used. The lounge can transform into a sleeping area. Dining spaces blend naturally into the living environment. Hidden storage keeps the cabin organized. Wide walkways make movement effortless. Honda's design philosophy centers around flexibility. Every area serves multiple purposes without sacrificing comfort or style. That's exactly what future luxury motorhomes should achieve. A concept this advanced wouldn't rely on design alone. It's easy to imagine Honda equipping a production version with some of its most sophisticated technologies. AI-assisted navigation could automatically optimize routes. Digital mirrors would improve visibility. A full 360-degree camera system would simplify parking. Adaptive suspension could deliver a smoother ride across changing road conditions. Semi-autonomous highway driving may reduce fatigue during long-distance travel. Smart voice controls could manage lighting, climate, entertainment, and vehicle functions with simple commands. The result? A driving experience that's safer, easier, and far more enjoyable. Although Honda hasn't revealed production specifications, a hybrid electric drivetrain would make perfect sense. Combining electric efficiency with gasoline range could provide quiet cruising while eliminating range anxiety. Electric motors would deliver smooth acceleration. Advanced battery systems would improve energy efficiency. The multi-axle platform would enhance stability while distributing weight more evenly, making long highway journeys more comfortable and secure. Luxury should never come at the expense of practicality. Of course, every groundbreaking concept comes with engineering challenges. Those enormous glass panels would require advanced insulation and heat management. The overall size could make maneuvering through crowded cities more difficult, and producing a vehicle this sophisticated would almost certainly place it in the ultra-premium segment. But that's the purpose of concept vehicles. They inspire new ideas. They encourage innovation. And many of today's everyday automotive technologies first appeared in concept vehicles just like this one. What truly makes the Honda Legend concept special isn't just its appearance, it's the experience it promises. Instead of treating travel as something to endure, Honda imagines every journey becoming memorable. Imagine waking beside a mountain lake, watching the sunrise through panoramic glass, working remotely from a luxurious mobile office, driving scenic coastal highways in complete comfort. This concept transforms the motorhome from a simple recreational vehicle into a complete lifestyle experience. Will we see this exact Honda Legend motorhome reach production? Probably not. But many of the ideas introduced here could easily influence tomorrow's luxury RVs and electric motorhomes. As technology continues evolving, vehicles like this may no longer seem impossible. And that's exactly what makes concepts so exciting. They allow us to imagine where the future might lead. So, what do you think? Would you love to travel across America in the futuristic Honda Legend motorhome concept? Or do you prefer today's more traditional luxury RVs? Share your thoughts in the comments below. I read as many comments as I can. If you enjoyed today's tour, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest videos covering futuristic motorhomes, luxury RVs, concept vehicles, and the newest automotive innovations. I'm Richard M. Tryon. Thank you for watching California Autos. I'll see you in the next adventure.